Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post longer videos on your Facebook story, longer than the usual time limit. So, if you've been wondering how to share videos that exceed Facebook's 20 to 30 second limit, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed. Once that's done, go ahead and launch the app. Now, to post a Facebook story, the regular limit is around 20 to 30 seconds. But don't worry. If you want to post a longer video, there's a simple trick. Instead of posting your story through Messenger, you'll want to do it directly through the Facebook app itself. Open the Facebook app, tap on Create Story, and then choose the video you want to upload. You can use a pre-recorded video from your gallery instead of recording directly through the app. For example, I'm going to pick this 1-minute video from my gallery. Once you've selected your video, just tap Share, and Facebook will upload it as a story, even if it's over the usual time limit. It's that easy, guys. Just use the gallery option to upload your pre-recorded videos, and you'll be able to post longer stories on Facebook. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials.